All right. Today is January 22nd, a Sunday. It's been a couple of weeks maybe since I last worked on this, but as you can see, I've taken out everything. There's, here in the engine bay, there's no more brake booster. Um, the steering column's already been disconnected. Wire harness has also been removed. That's where the wire loom goes to. I've tried to save as much of the plastic holders, tie wraps, whatever you want to call them. Let's see. Front end is pretty much ready to go. I want this torn apart, painted separately, and put back on there. Hopefully the fenders will come off when the guy does the work, fixes it. There is the firewall. As you can see, it's untouched. It still has the factory primer on there. The dash is still on the car. Excuse me. And let's see, there's the front lip that's going to go on the car. The quarter glass, or the front window glass regulators are sitting here. And let's see, I've put my slot mags back on there, the 13s for rollers. And yeah, so let's see what else needs to be removed here. The gas pedal assembly needs to be removed. The heater core, pipe hoses, whatever you want to call them, needs to be removed. The hood latch cable, can't find the plastic grommets that hold them, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to cut those off to remove that from the engine bay, but don't know what I'm gonna replace it with. You see the door latches are still in the car. Should be pretty quick to take out, but yeah. And the glass, front and rear glass. And after that, it's very ready to go to the body shop. Alright, today is, what is it again? January 22nd, Sunday afternoon. Peace.